Alright guys, cold start video number 2. Same car. Damn, that was a rough one. Alright guys, I'm gonna let it run for a few minutes and then I'll just make a second clip. Well guys, that cold start was when I did that cold start in the last clip, it was 3 degrees out with an 18 below wind chill. Alright guys, so I've let her run for maybe 2 minutes. Let's see if she'll start again. Look at that. You can always trust your Honda in starting in any temperature. Okay, that's enough. Bye guys. I'll see you in the next cold start video. If it'll ever get colder than 3 degrees. Yeah, maybe I'll make one tomorrow if it gets below 0.